Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve camera and webcam not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear and go with open to continue. Click on it. The moment you have to click on it, please proceed at the left side of the screen. You can see there are different options where you need to look for an option called privacy and security. Tap on it, and the moment you have opened the privacy and security tab, you need to scroll down and look for app permissions and go with camera. So click on it, and here in the camera, you need to make sure that aligning the camera access it is being turned on. Okay? And once done, proceed with let apps access your camera. You need also to make sure that these are on, all are on, and let apps access your camera as well as the Google Chrome. You need to make sure that it is being turned on. Once you have ensured that all of that are turned on, try to check if your camera or webcam is now working. But let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our next method, which is you need to navigate here at the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and then tap on device manager. A new window would appear, which is your device manager. Okay, we're here. You need to proceed at the cameras. Okay. If you don't see your camera here in your device manager, you can simply go with action and scan for hardware changes, and there you'd be able to see your camera here. So click on this forward arrow, and there you would be able to see your camera driver. All you have to do is you need to do a right click and go with uninstall device. So all you have to do is click on uninstall, and the moment you have uninstalled it, please proceed at the upper left side of that where you can see an action option, go with scan for hardware changes. Once you have scanned it, it will be automatically installed again in your Windows. And once done, you need to navigate here to the start icon the moment you have closed it and go with your power menu options and click on restart. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think those methods help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.